All right, now it's time to tackle the front end. Let's take a look at what we got here. So we're going to be going ahead and knocking out everything on the front end of the bike. That's going to be the riser bushings. That's going to be the busted turn signal and broken turn signal relocation mount. We're going to go ahead and get that rebuilt, remounted back up here to the front forks, and replacing the front fender with a new black one to match the rest. Now, I'm going to be doing this, but I'm not going to be tightening everything down because we still need to do the alignment for the front end of the fork, so we need everything not to be torqued down, so we can get everything aligned first, and then we'll go ahead and torque everything down. Once we have that good, we should be able to put the gas tank on for the last time, actually button up the speedometer and everything else for the gas tank, get the seat back on this thing, and be good to roll. Let's get started. Whew, those make things a lot better. Check it out. Try to hold the camera still, but absolutely no play whatsoever in the handlebars. So stiff, so nice, so clean. Feels much better to have actual stiff handlebars, ones that don't wiggle around on me. Like I said, even before the crash, they wiggled around on me a little bit, and now they don't. Next up is going to be the turn signal. Let's see what we got to do to get that either rebuilt or just replaced. I really don't want to replace it because then I got to cut the wires and splice them in. If I could rebuild it, great, but the way that this is smashed in, I don't know if I'm going to be able to pull out the inner piece here. I might be able to pull it out uneven if I just pull this side first to get it to just walk out, because it looks to be still pretty round about right here. So if I could just get it past that one bend, I might be able to walk this out. I'd be able to redo this, so we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, wish me luck. Man, I'm so glad that that worked out. So glad that I was able to just replace that housing, especially, well, the internals as well. I just swapped out for the good one. I'm getting really good at swapping out these turn signals, so if you're local in the area and you need some help, I know most people just cut them off and splice them in and replace them, or just take them off completely. But I like turn signals, and I also like doing things the right way, so really glad that that worked out. Let's get the relocation mount done and put on so that we can get this put back into place. Oh man, it feels so good to be getting this back the way it was. Let me show you how this looks. This is awesome. I'm feeling so much better every single step of the way on this. Check it out. Got both turn signals back in the game. They might not be quite perfectly level, but they're also not perfectly tightened down because I have to do the front end alignment, so they have to be loose anyway. So I'm gonna wait to torque those down until I get everything in place, then do that alignment. Oh man, I'm so excited. Let's see, we did the riser bushings, we did the turn signal relocation and rebuild. Now the front fender. Let's go. The last little finishing touch, the front fender. Check it out. Ooh, man, it looks good. The black looks so good with the chrome. Well, you know what we gotta do? Test fit the gas tank. I'm gonna throw it on there just to see what it looks like and then get a nice idea of what the final product will be. Next video will be us buttoning it all up and putting on the speedo and tidying up all the wires and torquing everything down and aligning the fork. This is kind of a sneak peek of what the final product's gonna be, but the final product's gonna be even better and I'm so excited. Let's check it out. Oh man, like I said, I'm super excited, super pumped to get this done, get this wrapped up. Call quits here on this episode, knocking out the whole front end, and the next episode will be all the finishing touches to get it back on the road. I'm so pumped. As far as the front end, that is a wrap. Like I said, the next episode will be doing the alignment on the forks, finally mounting the gas tank and mounting the speedo and everything on top of the gas tank, getting the seat put back on, and taking this bad boy for a test drive. If we have time, maybe a little something else. We'll see. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.